Hulum kata kote buhok jong no jotono no lamsogo. Haina hai tu feke ano ni bege ketal job notification. Ita kote buhok jong Tripura Rural Livelihood ni bakak di noko ka ketal job notification. Ko job notification noko majago tam tong. Sab apply klainya thang tini tam nang video sengka hamke sai malanya. Ita kote buhok jong recruitment for Tripura Rural Livelihood Mission ni bakak di noko ka ketal job notification. Engkau ajago norok nugunya tangkana recruitment for Tripura Rural Livelihood Mission TRLM. Engkau Exams Ventures Private Limited is heading for TRML purely on contractual basis for various positions at district and block. Ini takutnya buksong district type block ni bagainya nokoka ketal job notification engkau ajaga kebama job notification tongo tam post ni bagai job notification nokoka hadiseng tabung nai nilainya. Post ni bumung hingga orang nungguin tongna ek number tongo district mission coordinator aro engke 4 jon ano tangnai borok district mission coordinator 2 number tongo district coordinator institutions building and capacity building ot tongo 3 jona vacancy engke 3 number tongo district coordinator livelihood and marketing for farm eta kote buksang ajaga tongo ekjon ani bagai job notification ekjoner bagai post 4 number tongo district coordinator financial inclusions ajaga tongo 2 jon ani vacancy 5 number tongo district coordinator social inclusions and social development ajaga tongo 2 jona district coordinator livelihood and marketing for non farm ajaga tongo ekjon ani vacancy engke tai 7 number to norok nuguni tongna block mission coordinator ajago hangke 9 jona ajago vacancy tongo 9 jona bagai ora post vacancy khali tongo 8 number tongo livelihood coordinator non farm ajago tongo 5 jona ni bagai vacancy 9 number tongo block program manager ajago tongo 10 jona ni bagai vacancy gangke ajago tola tai chamtam saka borok nai nilainya seng interested and eligible candidate may apply online via https job.exeamventure.com mo thangani norok ajago online norok o job no apply ma khlainai request for the job positions can seen at the website mentioned above the trml.tripura.gov.in ajago bo thangani norok norokni o job position rok haikeba job ni notification rok norok check khlai mano application through any other means will not be accepted ni takote buksang online norok o job no apply ma khlainai tei kuno tui phano norok o job no apply khlai manglak hingke last date hingke 27 tarik June 2024 saringni 5 jora website khuluk tonai norok 27 tarik ni sikang no norok o job no apply khlaika hingke belekena chanai haikeba 27 tarik 5 ta ni sikang norok o job no apply ma khlainai angkai norok o website thanginai kahamke saimani akoinai o job no apply khlaikelai belai khano chanai angke tini bagai asana sideng takote bukhjong norok jotono no hambai।